everyone, and welcome to our Smile Center video. There's the mail car going by, and there's a blizzard outside. Also, the internet has turned off. Okay, so bad news. Power went out completely. We have no form of outside communication with the world. This is November 18th, 2016. Let me check the time. 11:30. This is what the outside world looks like right now. It's crazy windy, crazy cold, and there's snow on the ground. I just hope that tonight the weather will be calm enough so I can go pick up Pokemon Sun from GameStop. I do know one thing. Oh dear God. But also there'll be Christmas music. Was the blizzard last year this bad, or was it worse than what is happening right now? As far as I know, I can't see the sidewalk. I can kind of see the road. I cannot see past one block. The visibility is one block. And if you can only see one block ahead of you, you can't drive at all. Car, what are you doing? Okay. Let's see if I can get some footage. I will have to press the button. I might. Just might. Oh dear God, it's frigid out here. Okay. We just have to be quiet so the dog does not wake up, because if he's here, we are dead. Oh God. Oh God. Holy cow. Now this is winter. Oh Jesus. It's freezing. That's what I'm wearing. Oh God. Ah. God, it's windy too. The gusts are supposed to be 50 miles an hour. And look at the tree. And look at the road. It's supposed to be like 7 inches of snow. Right now it's probably at like 1. Ugh. Oh dear God. Never saw it. Okay. See you in the next video. I'll see you then. Bye. Bye. Alright, we are back. It is now about 12:20. The whole entire town of where I live, the electricity has been cut off or powered down or whatever, but no one in this town can use electricity because we just had a power shortage or whatever you would call it. So, and we haven't had a blizzard like this in several years. So now I can't use the TV, the Xbox, the computer. I can't even use the internet because they all require electricity. Wait. The other thing is, it would be nice if we had a backup generator. I should probably ask my dad that. Let's go. My dad's home, finally. And also I have lost all forms of communication with the outside world. Like all. It's getting super cold in the garage, like super cold. Shield your eyes! Okay, see that? That's snow. You can see it along my dad's truck. Oh God. It just gets worse. And that's my dad. That's the dog. Okay, the snow is now getting into the house. So what does Rascal think of the snow? What does Rascal think of the snow?
Doesn't much care for it.
Wait, so you have any idea when the power will be back?
Nope. So don't be leaving any doors open because we've got no heat while the power's out.
Oh.
No furnace fan.
So what are we supposed to do for lunch? And all that.
Sandwiches.
Also, it's surprisingly cold in the garage. I thought we installed insulation.
Only in the roof, not the walls.
Yeah, well, compared to the garage, inside's toasty. I can't even use the computer or play on the Wii. Wait, do we have a backup generator? Do we have a generator?
We do have a portable generator in the back garage, but I'm not digging it out.
That's the only generator we have? So we're stuck without power until someone figures out why we have no power.
There's probably a power line down somewhere.
A blizzard can cause a power line to be cut down.
Yes, it can.
So now the electricity people are now trying to get to it as fast as they can.
Hopefully.
If so, where's the nearest electricity place? So far my assumption is going to be half an hour until the power's back. Because earlier, the power just snapped and everything turned off for like a half second. And then after that, the power went out completely.
Yeah.
So do you know where the nearest electricity place is?
No, I don't know where's the...
There's really something. With the power out, the freezers won't work.
That's right. Now keep the door shut. Keep them cold.
Okay. It is still snowing outside, but the electricity's back on. At last. Uh. So, anyway, it is 2:34, and we will see you in the next Spy Ball Center video. And we'll see you then. Goodbye.